we're going to take a look at the iPhone's clock application. If we open the clock app, from here you can see that we have the options to add world clocks, use the clock as an alarm, use a stopwatch, or even use the clock as a timer. If we go back to world clocks, from here if we press edit, we can delete existing world clocks, or we'll be able to rearrange them if we'd like to. If we press the plus button in the top right hand corner, we'll be able to choose a city that we would like to add a world clock to, and we'll be able to see it in the world clock section once we've added it. Then, if we'd like to rearrange them, we can press edit and then move them around. If we go to the Alarms tab, here pressing edit, we can change or edit our re-existing alarms, where we can change the sound, the snooze, the label, and the time. Changing it will automatically turn the alarm on, then we can turn it off, and if we press edit, we can delete the alarm. Pressing the plus button in the top right hand corner, we can add an alarm. From here we can choose to repeat the alarm. All we have to do is select the days that we would like the alarm to repeat, and it will automatically repeat on the days that we've selected. If we go back to the alarm menu, we can choose the sound we'd like for our alarm to sound. We can choose from our ringtones or pre-existing sounds. If we like the snooze on or off, we can choose that. We can also label our alarm, something like wake up or go to the gym, depending upon what our alarm is going to be used for. Once we've done that, we can select the time we'd like our alarm to go off, starting by selecting the hours, the minutes, and then selecting whether this alarm will be AM or PM. Then we press save, and our alarm is automatically turned on. We can turn it off if we'd like to, but leaving it on, it will automatically repeat every day that we've selected the repeat for. Going to the stopwatch, we can start the stopwatch by pressing start. We can create laps by pressing the lap button. We can stop it by pressing stop, and then we can resume the timer by pressing start. We can reset it by pressing stop and then reset. If we go to the timer, we can select the amount of hours and minutes we'd like a timer for. Then we can select the sound we'd like to have go off once the timer is done. We start it by pressing start. Then we can pause the timer by pressing pause, and then we can even cancel it by pressing cancel.